Nung teenager ako, kita ko sa streets of Los Angeles, may this thing called hip-hop. They were popping, they were locking, they were crumping, they were doing Running Man. So nakijam ako. They called me the brown man with the black soul. Heto na naman ako nalilito, 10 minuto, kala ko naman fast food to. I decided na, okay, this is what I want to be. Doing the music and hip-hop infused together. Simple lang naman ang order, guys. Isang drink, walang ice, ibubuhos lang may gulays. Pareho rin naman ang tik-tak ng relo. Sa country, we need music because it lightens up the load. When you're going through the toughest time of your life, you sing a song. It makes you feel better. Sakto ora mismo, pansamantala, kaduda-duda, ang tagal pala, nung teka muna. The title of my song is Pansamantagal. A combination of 2 words, pansamantala and ang tagal. Pansamantagal pa rin sa bagal, pansamantagal, laking sa gabal. I joined Philpop because I have been told na huwag ka nang sumali, pagbigyan mo na yung mga bata. I just want to know if I still have it. Kung wagas pa ang pagkaasim. Pansamantagal, walang aangal. Pansamantagal, dapat ibawal. Pansamantagal.